I came out to fill the bird seed holder and suet, and thought I'd give you some fall colors right out here in front of my window. This is an Autumn Blaze maple. It's a hybrid. You got some really nice, before all the leaves fall off, I'll catch these. Nice vibrant colors. The whole tree used to be red like this when it was younger. But we've been here. I just shut down a hole. Careful of that, folks. That's our drain pipe coming from the house. I'm okay. But my little birdhouse up there for the wrens. This is a nice canopy under here. Not a bad distance to put a hammock on out here either. Not too bad of a distance, a little far. Yeah, a little too far. I don't think I want to put a hammock out in front of my house either. Actually, yeah, pretty morning. Out here across the street from the airport. Not the quietest place in the world.